What's the meaning of catnap? Catnap. Catnap.
Catnap. Catnap. A catnap is a short period of sleep that typically lasts for only a few minutes or up to half an hour. It is a term used to describe a light, refreshing nap that is taken during the day. The idea behind a catnap is that it allows a person to recharge and feel more energized without interfering with their normal sleep schedule at night. Taking a catnap has been found to improve concentration, productivity, and overall mood. By taking a brief rest, a person can often improve their cognitive performance and tackle tasks more effectively.